So we have a really easy concept here. We have one light setup, a white background here, and if you turn this way, a black background. We have the model in the same position. The only thing that changes is the position of the photographer. So shooting from this point, you get a normal headshot, a clean headshot with a white background. And just turning yourself around the subject from this position, nobody touches the light, it remains in the same spot. You get a totally different dramatic look, hitting the face on this side, having dark the other half, and a black background this time. You get a totally different style. And it's two different setups combined in one, and you can change looks just like that.